Does your factory boiler's monthly fuel cost reach tens of thousands of yuan or even more? Frequent downtime for maintenance, and continuous fines for failing to meet emission standards. This is not an isolated case, but a real pain point faced by many industrial enterprises. The good news is that the global industrial boiler market is undergoing a rapid transformation. The market size exceeded $17 billion in 2025 and is projected to reach over $25 billion by 2035, with a compound annual growth rate of 3.8% to 5%. Demand for efficient, clean, and low-carbon boilers is experiencing explosive growth. Today, let's talk about how Fangkuai Boilers can help you solve these problems, achieving energy conservation, cost reduction, and green compliance. Let's get started.
方块锅炉，国家高新技术企业 A 级锅炉制造资质、1级锅炉安装资质、3A 级资信等级企业，致力于研发、制造与地球环境共生的能源装备。迈稳步，不停步。方块锅炉为人类的福祉奋斗不止，已成为国内领先的智能化燃气锅炉制造基地。创新驱动进步，科技赞美生命。方块建有6000平米的独栋产品研发中心，投资5000万倾心打造的国家级锅炉能效测试实验中心，为自主研发、测试、实验、数据采集提供强有力的支撑平台。行业顶级研发团队夜以继日，臻于至善，无数次实验与修正，1万次数据采集与分析，持续优化核心技术，力求达到排放更低、效能更高。60余项创新专利技术，方块真正做到制造优品。2大生产制造基地，共12万平米的现代化数字生产车间，100余台智能生产设备，国际领先的 ERP 管理系统，产品从下单到出厂仅需30天。融合现代科技的力量，锅炉被赋予新的定义。方块一体冷凝燃气锅炉，融合多项先进技术，打破传统3回程锅炉结构，增加冷凝器与节能器，充分利用烟气显热和前热，排烟温度大大降低，热效率可达104%以上，高效能、低排放，引领锅炉行业绿色科技创新。方块研发生产出全国首台低氮燃气锅炉，运用先进的 FGR 燃烧技术，对烟气进行再利用，降低火焰温度，氮氧化物排放可低于20毫克每立方米，成功应用于2014年北京 APEC 会议场馆中 ，APEC 蓝有其重要贡献。依托物联网和云计算技术，方块推出了独具特色的云服务系统，颠覆了锅炉的运行方式。通过远程联网实现在线监控、数据分析、故障预警等多项功能，完成了从硬件加功能的传统模式到软件加服务的智能模式的升级，创造性改变锅炉运行的管理理念。产品为本，服务至上。我们建立了锅炉终身故障排查机制，常年备有充足的备品备件和易损件，数百名专业技术工程师随时待命，技术顾问全年24小时在线接受咨询，定期回访，只为及时高效地响应客户诉求。专业、负责任是方块对世界的承诺。我们的坚守让产品远销美国、俄罗斯、印度等几十个国家和地区，赢得了数万客户的认可与赞誉。回步千里，方得大成；不忘初心，方得始终。恪守温暖世界的企业使命，坚持专业、负责任的清洁高效锅炉系统集成供应商的企业定位。
First, let's look at our best-selling products. Oil and gas-fired steam boilers, such as the WNS and SVS integrated condensing steam boilers. They utilize fully premixed combustion and ultra-1010 low-temperature condensing technology. achieving a thermal efficiency of up to 98% to 99%, far exceeding the 80% to 85% thermal efficiency of traditional boilers. This means you can save 20% to 30% on fuel costs annually. While nitrogen oxide emissions are as low as below 30 meter cubed, easily meeting the most stringent environmental standards. Next, let's look at electric boilers. Their thermal efficiency is close to 100%, with zero combustion and zero emissions, making them ideal for hospitals, food factories, laboratories, and other places with extremely high cleanliness requirements. All products are equipped with PLC intelligent control and the Cloud Service 4.0 system, remote monitoring, fault early warning, and big data analysis, making boiler operations safer and more economical. Fangkuai Boilers has served multiple markets globally, especially in Europe, where we have obtained EU-CE certification and successfully won the bid for BID's European New Energy Vehicle-based project, providing heating and painting production lines for the base, perfectly meeting high environmental standards. Providing heating and painting production lines for the base, perfectly meeting high environmental standards. Domestically, we have also served numerous benchmark projects, a 50-ton-hour dual foil for a chemical plant in Xinjiang, a 15-ton-hour gas-fired condensing boiler for Dongfeng Beverage in Guangzhou, a 15-ton-hour gas-fired condensing boiler for Dongfeng Beverage in Guangzhou, a 140-megawatt large-scale district heating system in Tianjin. These projects fully demonstrate that Fangkuai boilers are reliable, durable, economical, and efficient. If you're struggling with boiler energy consumption, emissions, or procurement, take action now. Leave a comment below with your concerns and we'll diagnose them for you free of charge. Get a personalized energy saving assessment report and a customized quote. Visit our website fkboilers.com or www.zzfangkuaiboiler.com to contact us. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.